Hello everyone, welcome to Bio Ocean and this is me Sheetal Maria with you and we are here with a new topic, an interesting topic that is career options in biology. And before moving into the video, if any one of you are new to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications whenever I upload a video. Here we are going to discuss about top 10 career opportunities a biology student can access. For the first, I will be discussing about the project assistant. The job of project assistant. See, this is a temporary job and the research institutes in India have conducting so many projects every year and they will call for this post in the month of mainly from March to July. And if you possess a post graduation degree with or without net, you can apply for this post and you will have to attend an interview. If you crack that interview, you can directly join for that post. Okay, majorly the salary comes in between 25,000 to up to 56 60,000 up to that range, and it's quite okay for a postgraduate, right? This is a quite good job, and one of the major drawback is it's a temporary job, and this project can end up before the time span as well as after the time span. So you have to work up to the completion of that project. Okay, and one thing you have to keep in mind is the project only lasts for about 1 to 3 years. Okay, the project will be up to 3 years maximum and minimum up to 1 year. So that is the only drawback here. And the next job opportunity is to become an ecologist, otherwise an environmentalist. See, any postgraduate who has specialization in ecology studies, otherwise environmental studies, can do this job. Only one thing you have to do is to estimate the effect of any industries or any effluents on nature, and you have to determine what kind of effect are they causing, and you have to initiate some of the management procedures that can be adopted cost effectively as well as in short time for the protection of nature. And this is quite simple job, and there are so many industries hiring for this post, and anyone in specialization of environmental studies, otherwise ecology, can join up for this project, otherwise join up can for this post. Okay, and this quite provide a high salary, and normally one of the drawback about this is there will be only a post of 1 or 2 persons in industry. So that is the only drawback here. Okay. And the next opportunity is about field assistant. See, field assistant is a job opportunity that comes in correlation with project assistant. The only work you have to do is to help the project assistant to gather the test organisms, otherwise gather the materials that is required to conduct that project. The only thing is to do is to gather the stuffs and help the project assistant, and the qualification is too less here. If you have any graduation, you can join up for this. You too will have an interview. If you crack this interview, you will be get into the job, and the salary scale comes up about 25,000. The maximum limit is about 25,000, and this is also a temporary job, and you have to work up to the completion of the job, and it will be about minimally 1 year and maximally it will be about 3 years. Okay. And the fourth job is about a zookeeper. See, we often visit to zoos, right? And we often met so many persons who will be explaining us about those animals and also about that zoo. And that is the work of a zookeeper. Every zoo has about 5 to 8 zookeepers, and they will have to have a qualification about post graduation, otherwise if you have a graduation also you can join, and you have to ensure that all the works in a zoo are conducting properly, proper care and proper food and other necessities are provided to those animals, and all those you have to maintain the best of that zoo and have to explain about these zoo and the animals there for this tourist, and that is your work to have to do. Okay. And the fifth job is to become a lab assistant, otherwise a lab technician. If you have a graduation or post graduation in the specified subject, you can join this work, and you have to assist and you have to provide all those basic needs for the project assistant who is working in that lab. and have to maintain the lab in a good condition. That is the only work you have to do, and you will be paid with a scale of about 45 to 55,000 per month. And there are so many lab assistants who work in a daily wages too, and this is quite good job if you have a good knowledge about the equipments that is to be kept in a lab and how a lab should be maintained, all those stuffs. Okay. And the next job is quite different, that is to become a BMC member. See, every local governing body has their own biodiversity register which is maintained by these BMC members. This biodiversity register equip all the flora and fauna of that area, and that is to be audited every year, otherwise in frequent time it should be audited and should be maintained in such a way that it should provide the innovative newest ideas of that area accompanying about the flora and fauna. And that is the job of a BMC member. Always these local governing bodies like panchayat, municipality, corporation will always choose for those who are subject experts. So any person from biology stream can join them. And the next job opportunity is to become a marine biologist. For this, you have to possess purely a marine biology post graduation, and you can assist all the projects undergoing in relation with marine, and you can go up for the studies related to marine biology like some diversity studies, and also about like effect of some underground spills and all those stuffs. So that is the purpose of a marine biologist, and you have to estimate what is the present condition of the marine ecosystem and what should it be in the upcoming years, and as well as we have to implement some of the management strategies for their protection. And that is your job. If you have a post graduation degree, you can easily join about it, and a high skill salary is provided for those. Okay. And the next job opportunity is about nutritionist. See, if you possess a graduation degree in any of the life science streams, and if you are capable to do a diploma in nutrition science, you can become a nutritionist. As well as if you have a graduation degree in any of the streams of life science, you can directly join to the course of MSc Nutrition Biology in any of the colleges, and there you have to study about the nutritional aspects of every organism like humans and all those, and you can practice as a nutritionist after having a certificate as a certified nutritionist from the nutrition authority, and you can practice as a nutritionist in hospitals and all those stuffs. Okay, that is quite good job and will be paid up with a good minimal salary. And the next one is to become a scientist, and this needs a high quality experience. First of all, this needs a high quality experience, that is must, and then you need to have a PhD as well as a PDF degree, and you can join up them as a scientist, otherwise a senior research fellow. But the only thing, otherwise the only job, only work you have to do is to assist your project assistant. That is the only work you have to do. Guide them in a proper way and complete the project. You will be awarded with a salary that will be in a high scale, and that is quite reliable as well as a quite good job for biology student, but it takes a high quality experience that you have to work so many years, and after that you can attain the post of the scientist. That is the only thing that you have to keep in mind while approaching for this post. Okay. And the last option is about teaching. See, this is a quite normal and a basic one. If you have a graduation, you can directly join a B.Ed, and then we can go up to M.Ed and you can become a teacher in a quite normal smaller grades. And if you have to go further, you have to complete your post graduation. See, if you have a post graduation degree, you need not have a M.Ed degree. Okay, only you can possess a B.Ed and you can join up for teaching. Otherwise, if you don't possess a post graduation degree, then you have to do your M.Ed. Okay, so if you have a post graduation degree, you can go up for B.Ed and then qualify SET and NET exams. If you qualify SET exams, you can teach up in the higher secondary, and if you qualify NET exams, you can teach up in colleges. Okay, that is the minimal requirement to teach. And if you have more than these degrees like PhD, PDF, you can develop as assistant associate professors like that. One thing that you have to keep in mind before moving to this kind of area of job is to have that you need to possess a long list of degrees. Okay, then only you can pursue this job. Otherwise, you can't go up further in a very big post and all those. Okay, so and this is all about the career options. If you want more, you can say in the comment section, and I will be preparing different videos. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up as well as comment your suggestions. In case of any queries, you can comment down. Otherwise, you can give a mail on my mail ID that I've provided. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video. Thank you.